For the first timers, 'di ba? Ano yung na-feel niyo na parang kasi marami ako 'pag may tinuturuan ako mag-meditate natutuwa ako sa mga first timers and even mga second timers, you know?
Well, for me, it's relaxing lang.
Yeah.
Relax.
So, it's
Sobrang
a
deep.
yes.
Sobrang deep. Saan ako
Oh,
nakarating?
saan ka nakarating ano, sobrang deep ba? I feel
Oo.
the light and relax po sabi ni
Ano,
Paolo. Ano
yeah.
na-experience
Eh,
mo?
masyado mapang deep kaso nandun na ako sa pinaka nawawala yung focus ko kasi biglang may sumisigaw, biglang
At, sa experience ko, parang nag-i-start pa lang yung sa meditation is wait, di ko malagay into words eh. Pero
Oo,
I can feel the vibration or energy na umaakyat sa katawan. Then, nung
yes.
nasa kalagitnaan na is parang same siya ng experience nung habang um, magic
Mushroom?
mushroom. Yes
Yes,
po.
ng mushroom?
Like, parang nag-outer body experience na
Yes.
ang gaan sa pakiramdam na pwede kang basta ang hirap i-explain at put
Yeah.
into words Ate Ruta eh.
That's
Pero
the
ganun yung
data.
experience ko na sobrang gaan na parang gusto kong umiyak, gusto kong i-release lahat tapos ganun. Parang nakaka-happy na I can feel love,
Yeah.
etc. etc.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that ano experience, no? And hello everyone. I am Rhoda Soriano. I am a board certified holistic health coach from AADP, which is American Association of Drugless Practitioner. I'm a certified Theta Healing teacher and practitioner and an aromatherapist. I am broadcasting from Dubai. We have a wellness center in Laguna, which is Race and Rise. And this is our first time to do our free online meditation designed especially during Christmas. That most of the people during Christmas, some of the people, they pretend to be happy because they're pressured to be happy or feeling something. Kasi 'di ba, sometimes may mga memories, may mga feeling tayo na last Christmas or the past few years, merong pinagdaanan tayo, may mga gano'n. So this is designed for the people who feel empty, who feel lonely, who feel something whenever holidays are coming. Not only for the season of, Christmas, but every time there will be holiday or events in their life, they feel something. Something is not really into it. I want you to raise your hand if ever it's your first time to do the meditation, right? So sino yung wala naman tayong ibang lahi no kasi I invited some kaya lang I don't know if they will come. Sino yung mga first time lang na na mag-a-attend ng meditation? Mag-raise ng hand, 'di ba? Oh, it's your first time. Oh, Yen, it's your first time. And yeah, Brian, it's first time. Yeah. And Shine, is this your first time also? And Lil? Right? So, yeah, yeah. Oh, your first time. So, for the first timers, there's no pressure in it, ha? Kasi I designed it very very minimalist, easy to understand and easy to feel. As I've said, holidays are really like remembering love, belonging, and worth, So sometimes, holiday season, Christmas, New Year, and many more, these are always the remembrance of parang remembering something, beautiful. But sometimes, these beautiful things, sometimes meron siyang kurot. You can feel something in your heart, right? So these are the things. So you just feel free to chat in whatever you want. And then this will be like a touch of theta healing, a touch of aromatherapy, and more of an inner. We'll do like 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes only para mahasa yung brain. And while I'm gonna tell you something, when you are in the meditation, When I ask you to go take a breath in and inhale and exhale, and then while we're doing those meditation, something will come up into your head. Makaka-feel ka na, ano ba 'tong ginagawa ko? Dapat pala may gagawin ako, may gano'n, may mga gano'ng feeling. Just observe it without judgment, okay? And then I want you to go back in your breathing. Kapag halimbawa, nafi-feel ka na off, nadi-disturb ka, go back in your nose. Inhale and then release. That's how the meditation works. Every session I do, I start with a prayer. It's like a ecumenical prayer. So feel free if you're using sign of the cross. If you're not using, feel free to do it. All I want to tell you is just close your eyes, just relax, and find your comfortable seat, whether you're lying or sitting down. I want you to feel free on concentrating yourself as relaxed as you are. And I want you to take a nice deep breath in and then close your eyes. Let's inhale and release. One more time, inhale and release. Now I want you to feel yourself. I want you to see, feel, and sense where you're sitting at, that you feel comfortable, na hindi mo kailangang ma-stress, na komportable ka. Yun yung gusto kong maramdaman nyo. So let me say a short prayer. Oh, Father God, Mother Earth, the winds, the water, Atana, Bathala, Buddha, Creator of all that is, thank you for this day, for allowing us to share our time, our 30 minutes, spreading our self-love to ourselves and allowing ourselves to feel and sense kung ano yung mararamdaman ng katawan namin in this meditation. Thank you. It is done. It is done. Now I want you to remain, close your eyes. I want you to take a slow, deep breath in. And as you hear the sound of this, I want you to feel the sound coming into your body. And I want you to release anything that's na nakaka-heavy sa nararamdaman mo, if you have anything. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale to your mouth. Again, inhale. Inhale peace. Exhale the heavy feeling that you're carrying. Sometimes it's not that heavy, but it feels like something na you feel something that may something that you cannot explain. This is your sacred time to release whatever you wanted to release in your being. And you are safe here. This is your safe space. Usually, as the holiday season comes, maraming emotions ang nag-unfold sa atin. Maraming emotions. There are times that you can feel it like a loud emotions, the overjoy. Sometimes, in the middle of being joyful, makaka-feel ka ng a bit sadness. And sometimes, there is some feeling na, do I belong here? Or you're longing for someone. So these are the things that you feel whenever the holiday season comes. And whenever Christmas songs are playing, di ba? You don't know, it's happy, pero bakit parang ang sad minsan na nafe-feel mo? So these are the things that you're carrying within you. So let's begin. Bring your awareness into your body. I want you to feel and sense your body right now because you're sitting down or you're lying down. I want you to feel your feet Notice your feet. What's in your feet? And I want you to go up into your legs. What's in your legs? And then I want you to go up into your hips. What's in your hips? This is called your body scanning. And then after the hips, I want you to go up sa chest ninyo. Tingnan mo kung anong merong sa chest mo, sa lungs, sa heart. What are you carrying in those organs? What are you carrying in those? And I want you to go up into your shoulder. Is it heavy? Is it light? Or are you feeling burned out? Or are you feeling something? And I want you to go up into your face. Check your jawline. Is it heavy? Is it dropping? Or do you feel something heavy sa jaw ninyo? Sa face ninyo? I want you to feel it. Now I want you to take a nice deep breath in and release. And allow your body to soften. Feeling na i-release mo lahat ng heaviness. And I want you to feel soft and calm. I want you to see, feel, and sense, what are you smelling? What can you smell? I want to heighten your ability to smell. And this is part of an aromatherapy. Because sometimes, when we feel angry, when we feel fear, when we feel anxious, when we feel depressed, iba-ibang kind of scent or aroma ang naaamoy natin. I want you to imagine or feel ano yung naaamoy mo. I want you to heighten your sense of smell. And from here, I want you to imagine a gentle golden light surrounding you and comforting you. And it's embracing you in a very loving moment. And this light knows you. And it holds you without judgment. I want you to feel, because I want you to heighten your imagination, because these are the things that we forget kung paano mag-imagine. Nung bata tayo, we're so good in imagining things. But when we grow up, the imagination is nagle-lessen because of so many responsibilities, so many heavy feeling. Now, I want you to set aside all those heavy and responsibility. I want you to become a child, to imagine that there are lights in front of you, back and forth, holding you and hugging you. I want you to feel this. Because from here, I'm going to take you up so that you can feel the impossible to be possible, the healing to be healed, and the things na you'll be protected. So now, I want you to take a nice deep breath in again. Imagine energy coming up from the bottoms of your feet, going up to your legs, to your knees, to your thighs, going up to your sacral chakra. The sacral chakra are your reproductive system. Going up to your digestive system, going up to your heart, to your lungs, to your throat, going up to your face, up to your eyes, going up to the top of your head. Now I want you to imagine yourself. Bring yourself at the top of your head, because this light is gonna be a big ball of light. I want you to sit up at the top of your head. I want you to see, feel, and sense that you are in this big ball of light, and everything around you is so vivid na makikita mong lahat. You can see everything that's clear. It's like you're sitting down on a crystal ball na you're protected and safe. And I want you to imagine yourself going up, 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 higher and higher and higher, passing through the roof of your house, going up to the clouds, to the sky, to the moon, passing through the sun, through the galaxies, to the universe, to the multiverse, passing through layers and layers of light. And I want you to go up to the golden light. Past that golden light, And from there on, I want you to move up more higher and higher. And then you will see a black light, white light, black light, white light. And from there, you'll be seeing a pinkish, like a rainbow color. So many colors, so many geometric figures, so many shapes. And these are the laws. I want you to go up more, higher and higher and higher. From there on, you will reach an iridescent pearlish white light. It's so bright as the sun, but it will not hurt your eyes. And I want you to say this into your mind. I am never separated. I am never separated. I'm one with love. I'm one with God. And your body expands. Every atom and molecules of your body expands in this seventh plane, in the creator of all that is. These are the creator's energy, the God's energy, where everything is possible, where healing takes place, and you are safe and protected in this. And from here, I want you to take time to see, feel, and sense that unconditional love will come in every cell of your body. And I want you gently to hold your hand and bring it to your heart. There's no one to judge. Do whatever you want to do. Just put your hand in your heart. It's okay. If there are loneliness here, check it out. Is there any loneliness feeling? Meron bang konting kirot, konting loneliness? Meron bang feeling na emptiness? Meron bang sadness? And meron bang feeling ng longingness? Just notice it. Notice it without judgment. You don't need to fix it. You don't need to push it away. Just observe it. And I want you to say this to yourself. I see you. You are allowed to be here. And you are noticed. And I want you to notice, to bring awareness, where is the part of the hurt or fear or sadness or emptiness or anything na parang nare-remember mo or naaalala mo every time na nakaka-feel ka ng kurot or sadness in your heart. Where is it coming from? Is it coming from your heart, your stomach, your liver? I want you to feel it. And from there, I want you to take a nice deep breath in. And whatever is aching or having heavy emotions, I want you to release it when you release it in your breath. I want you to release it in your mouth. Whatever is heavy feeling or feeling that, why am I alone? Why am I like this? You have to release it in your mouth. Inhale and then release. One more time, inhale and then release. In the practice that I do, I usually do pulling, canceling, and deleting some of the belief that na nag-i-instill ng feeling na to. So in your heart, I will ask your permission to teach you God's truth of how it feels like to have the belongingness in your heart, to have the feeling na I am safe wherever I am at kung ano man ang celebrations or holidays na dadating sa buhay ko. And can you give me permission to pull out, cancel, and delete the feeling and belief that I am alone even when others are around? When you're feeling this, can I pull, cancel, delete that? Just say yes. And can I pull out also the feeling and belief that I don't truly belong? Do you know the feeling of I don't truly feel that I belong in this group, or I'm always cast out. I always feel na hindi ako fit in. Can I release all of that feeling? Can I also release the feeling that something is wrong with me? Can I release all of that? Can I also release all the feelings and emotions that the feeling of abandonment, na most of the time I feel like I'm abandoned. No one takes care of me. It's all me, me, me. Can I release all of that? And the last one is, can I release also the energies of comparison, comparing yourself to others? Bakit siya ganito, may ganito? And then you feel like you've been always, when you offer something, you're being rejected, or even the feeling that it's better for me to isolate myself rather than to be here. Can I release all of that feeling? Just say yes. And send it to Creator's Light, God's Light. And let's release it in every cell of your body, in all layers of your belief, in this lifetime and forever. And let's return all of that to the Creator's Light with love. And I want you to take a nice deep breath in and release. I want to give you a download. These downloads are part of your being na sometimes we forget because maraming nangyari sa buhay natin, and sometimes we are forgetting that we're having this. Now, can you give me permission to download you Creator's truth, definition, and understanding of what is love from the Creator's perspective? Just say yes. And the Creator's truth, understanding, and definition of what is belonging. And also the Creator's truth of what is worthiness, that I'm worthy of being loved and being here, and also celebrating holiday season in my life. And can you give me permission to teach you the feeling of being deeply loved without condition? Knowing that you truly belong, even in silence, wherever you are, kung saan ka man magpunta. That you are worthy of being with someone. You are worthy of love and happiness and joy being with yourself. Can I teach you also the worthiness that without needing it to earn to others, na you value yourself or they value you because you've done so many things in a hard way, that you know how it feels like to allow yourself to be worthy without going through that hardships. And also, can I also teach you that you know how it feels like to be connected with life and to the God and to your higher source? Can you give me permission to do that? Just say yes. And that you know that you understand love can felt within. Na alam mong papasok yung pagmamahal sa'yo inside. Not just receiving it from others, but you know that you love yourself so much na hindi mo kailangan ng others to prove it, na kailangang mahal mo. Mahal ka ng iba para mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Can Creator teach you that? Can Creator also teach you that you are supported and you are enough? And allow these feelings to settle into your heart. Now I want you to take a nice deep breath in again and release. Now imagine that the holiday season is a soft glow around you. Instead of the noise, the pressure, or the emptiness, you see it as a reminder that light still exists wherever you go. Na yung warmth still lives within you. and you imagine yourself holding your own heart with compassion, that you are becoming your own safe space and place. Say this silently into your heart. I'm not alone in this moment. I belong to life. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. And let these words echo through your being and let be felt in every cell of your body. Now, I want you to slowly bring your awareness back in your body. And I want you to feel your hand. Slowly open your hand or move your hand, move your feet, and notice your breath. I want you to be in your consciousness right now. Slowly stretch out and extend your arms, stretch it out, and feel these emotions in your heart. Now, I want you to hold this feeling that you are okay and you're ready to face whatever holiday season you wanted to face in this lifetime. And you can be happy, you can feel whatever emotions you want to feel, and at the same time, you can easily change it, recreate it, delete it, and again, give you back the same joy, happiness, and peace whenever you are encountering any events in your life, holiday seasons, and many more. Now, I want you to rub your hand, and put it in your eyes. And slowly open your eyes hanggang nandun yung hand nyo. And then you can release your hand and we're done. How is everyone? Happy holidays. How is it? You can open your mic now. We're done. It's just a very minimal ano. How is it for the first timer? Yeah.
Very relaxing.
Yeah, because I put you on the theta state, no? By the
Uh,
way, the the modality that I'm using is theta healing technique. I usually put my clients in the theta brain state. I let you out in tinatanggal ko kayo dito sa earthbound. 'Di ba na-feel nyo? Pumanik tayo sa taas, sa mga galaxy, sa mga gano'n. Kasi tinanggal ko kayo dito. Dito kasi marami kasing earthbound belief na hindi mo magagawa 'to, may ganito, may ganyan. 'Pag dinala ko kayo do'n, hala, kahit ano puwede mong i-create do'n. So, dinala ko kayo do'n. So, this is the feeling na mafi-feel mo, um, na medyo alam mo parang for the first timers, 'di ba? Ano yung na-feel niyo na parang kasi marami ako 'pag may tinuturuan ako mag-meditate natutuwa ako sa mga first timers and even mga second timers, you know? What are the things that you experience? You can just open and share maybe a brief of you.
well, for me, it's relaxing lang.
Yeah.
Relax.
So it's a really a first time Brian, ano?
Mm.
'Di ba? Yeah. Any other sharer who wants to share?
Sobrang deep.
Yes.
Sobrang deep. Saan ako
Oh,
nakarating?
saan ka nakarating, ano? Sobrang deep ba? I
Oo.
feel the light and relax po, sabi ni Paolo. Yeah, because this is the theta brain state kasi it's really the pagitan of alpha and delta yan eh. So delta, I'm gonna give you a glimpse kasi alam na ni Brian, alam na ng mga theta healing to eh. When we're conversing like this, we are in the beta brainwave. Nasa beta brainwave tayo. So kapag nasa nag-yoga, nag-aano tayo, nagpe-pray tayo, we are on the alpha state. Pag sinabi natin God, automatic yung brainwave mo na nasa alpha. And then yung delta, yan yung tulog na tulog ka na. Okay? So si alpha at saka si delta, nasa pagitan niya si theta. Okay? Si theta, siya yung feeling na nung nasa school ka, ayaw mong mahuli ka ng teacher mo na natutulog sa class. So kahit nantok na nantok, pipilitin mo gumising. Yan yung feeling ng theta. Okay? So theta is half hallucinating and half awake. So we touch your subconscious mind. Kaya dinadala ko kayo dun sa malalim na yun. 'Di ba? Dinadala ko kayo dun sa deep state yan. And yung gamma brainwave, siya naman yung brainwave natin ng superhuman ability. Ito yung nakakapag-move na ng things or minsan nakakabuhat tayo ng mga refrigerator pag may sunog, ang bilis mo tumakbo pag hinahabol ka. That's what we're using. Okay. So, meron bang ibang mag-share before tayo mag-closing? And I want to thank all of you ha. I want to thank all of you for joining the first online meditation that I did kasi it's really a very, very memorable thing for me under Raise and Rise Well. Thank you very much. Thank you very much ha. Tupe, meron ka bang i-share?
Okay na, ma'am?
Yan. Ano na experience
Eh,
mo?
masyado ma'am siyang deep. Kaso, nandun ako sa nawawala yung focus ko kasi biglang may sumisigaw. Biglang,
Usually ganyan siya pag first timer, but you will eventually do it. Maganda yan, matututo kang pakinggan, magiging music to the ear na lang kapag natututo ka na mag-meditate. So wala ka ng pakialam sa kanila pag natuto ka, basta ako bahala dito, ganun. Yun.
medyo na distraction ako dun sa kung kailan nandun na ako sa pinaka-deep niya, biglang may,
Yeah, 'di ba? Ang last na na closing words ko, tatandaan niyo, you are not broken for feeling lonely, okay? We are only human. And even in this season, you are held and guided and loved by the Creator and seen by something greater. Merong talagang higher superficial na naniniwala sa atin. And thank you for showing up today and for showing up for yourself, giving you a time for yourself to really remember who you are. Any words mo, Tupe?
Hello po, hello po. Thank you
Yeah.
po. At sa experience ko, parang nag-start pa lang yung sa meditation is wait, di ko malagay into words eh. Pero
Oo.
I can feel the vibration or energy na umaakyat sa katawan. Then, nung
Yeah.
nasa kalagitnaan na is parang same siya ng experience nung habang um, magic
Mushroom?
mushroom. Yes
Yes,
po.
ng mushroom?
Like parang nag-outer body experience na
Yes.
ang gaan sa pakiramdam na pwede kang wait. Basta ang hirap i-explain at put
Yeah.
into words Ate Ruta eh.
That's
Pero
the
ganun yung
data.
experience ko na sobrang gaan na parang gusto kong umiyak, gusto kong i-release lahat. Tapos ganun, parang nakaka-happy na I can feel love,
Yeah.
etc. etc.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that experience, no? And we'll definitely do something like this in Raise and Rise. Maybe I'll do it more frequently. Siguro 1 or 2 a month, I'll do it so that, to empower people and let people be reminded na maraming benefits ang meditation ha, and proven fact 'yan na ang meditation can improve sleep, can release your cortisol. Cortisol are the hormones that disrupts your body. Ito yung mga stress release. Okay, tinatanggal niya. And then, nagtatanggal siya ng anxiety, depression. And at the same time, kapag nag 10 minutes or 20 minutes ka daw na meditation, para siyang 6 hour to 7 hour sleep ang total niya. Ganun siya. Pag natuto kang magganon. So thank you very much for all of you. Thank you for coming in. Magi-screenshot lang ako. It's okay. If you want to open your cam, it's okay. If you don't want, it's okay. So si Miss magi-screenshot lang ako ha. If you want. You can open your camera so we can see each other. Hi, Annabelle, I see you again. Grace, if you want to open your camera. Ate Sylvia, if you want to open. 'Di ba? Visit our Race and Rice Wellness in Calamba, Laguna. Mag-open ako. So, smile everyone. Oh, ang cute ni Anong name niyan, Brian? Andy? Oh, no.
This is Andy naman.
Andy. Okay, one more. Thank you, Grace. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Salamat sa inyong sa inyong pagdating. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you
Welcome,
po.
Shine. Shine, you're from Kalamba din? Kalamba?
Hindi po, South Cotabato.
Wow! My
Wow,
God.
Sobrang
layo.
layo.
Yes.
Opo.
And si Lily, from where? Thank you, Pau. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oo.
Invite us again.
Tomorrow, may appointment. Okay. Yes. May appointment ka pala bukas. Tama. I saw you. Thank you very much and see you. See you
Merry
again. Beautiful
Christmas.
people. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to
Merry
everyone. Merry
Christmas.
Christmas. Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas po.
Ah,
Thank you, Ate Ruda. Blessed be.
Blessed
Bye.
be. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am!
Bye.